Dear students, now we will go to discuss about chapter 1 nutrition in plants. Take page number 9. Question number 1. Why do organisms need to take food? Answer. Food is needed by all organisms for many purposes. The main function of food is to help in growth. Food provides energy for movements such as running, walking, or raising our arm. Food is also needed for replacement and repairing damaged parts of body. Food gives us resistance to fight against diseases and protects us from infections. Okay. Next, second question. Distinguish between a parasite and saprotroph. Saprotroph and parasite differentiate. First, saprotroph. These are the organisms that takes nutrients from the dead or decaying organic matter. Example, fungi. Then next one, parasite. These are the organisms that grows and feeds on a living organisms. Example, cuscuta. Next, question number 3. How would you test the presence of starch in leaves? Question number 3. How would you test the presence of starch in leaves? Answer. Iodine solution is used to test leaves for the presence of starch. Next, in order to perform this test, one needs to heat the plant leaf in boiling water for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and after that heat in boiling ethanol for a few minutes. Wash with water and spread onto a white tile and add a few drops of iodine solution. The parts of the leaf that contains starch will change its color blue-black. So, the presence of starch. Next, question number 4. Give a brief description of the process of synthesis of food in green plants. Answer. The plants means light and synthesis means to combine. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants prepare their own food. In this process, green pigment in plants. Green pigment means known as chlorophyll. Green pigmentation is known as chlorophyll. Helps leaves to capture the energy of the sunlight. This energy is used to synthesize. Synthesize means prepare. Synthesize food from carbon dioxide and water. Okay. Next, question number 5. Listen. Show with the help of a sketch that the plants are the ultimate source of food. Okay. To refer the diagram of 1.3. Okay. Book page number. Listen. Your book page number. Refer the diagram. Book page number 3. Diagram 1.3. Okay. Refer the diagram. Solar energy. Green plants. Herbivores. Carnivores. Listen. Green plants, herbivores, carnivores also decomposes. Okay. Okay. Next, question number 6. Fill in the blanks. Green plants are called since they synthesize their own food. Answer. Autotrophs. Green plants are called dash since they synthesize their own food. Answer. Autotrophs. Next, question number 6. B. The food synthesized by plant is stored as starch. Answer. Starch. All of you note the answer in your book. In photosynthesis, solar energy is absorbed by the pigment called Answer, chlorophyll. Next, during photosynthesis, plants take in dash and release dash gases. During photosynthesis, plants take in dash and release dash gas. Answer, carbon dioxide, oxygen. All of you write in your book. Next, question number 7. Name the following. First one, a parasitic plant with yellow, slender and tubular stem. Answer, Cuscuta. Next, second one, a plant that has both autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Both autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Answer, insectivorous plant. Insectivorous plant or picture plant. Okay, next, third one, the pores through which leaves exchange gases. Stomata. The pores through which leaves exchange gases. Answer, stomata. Okay, next, question number 8. Tick the correct answer. First one, Ambriel is an example of, listen the options, autotroph, parasite, saprotroph, host. Which one is the correct answer? Yes, parasite. Which one is the correct answer? Parasite. The Ambriel is an example of autotroph, parasite, saprotroph, host. Which one is the correct answer? Parasite. Okay, next. The plant which traps and feeds on insects is. Options, Cuscuta, China rose, picture plant, rose. Answer is picture plant. Okay. Next, question number 9. Match the following. Match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2. Okay. Match the correct answers. Okay, column 1. Chlorophyll. Correct answer, leaf. Next, second one, nitrogen. Nitrogen, bacteria. Nitrogen, fixing bacteria. So, answer is bacteria. Next, Ambriel. Parasite. Parasitic plant. Cuscuta. Very good. Next, animals. Heterotrophs. Insects. Picture plant. Insectivorous plant. Okay. So, insects. Correct answer. Picture plant. Next, question number 10. True or false? First one. Carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. Yes, false. Next. The plant which synthesize their food themselves are called saprotrophs. Next, page number 10. Take page number 10. True or false? 10th question. True or false? Second Roman. The plants, page number 10. Plants which synthesize their food themselves are called saprotrophs. Answer is false. Then next, third one. The product of photosynthesis is not a protein. Third one, true. Next, fourth one. Solar energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. The answer is true. Okay. Next, question number 11. Choose the correct options from the following. Which part of the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis? The given options: root hair, stomata, leaf veins, sepals. The correct answer? Yes, stomata. Next, question number 12. Choose the correct options from the following. Question number 12. Choose the correct options from the following. The plants takes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mainly through their options: roots, stem, flowers, leaves. The correct answer is leaves. Next, the given external learning activities and projects given. The first activity answer, listen, cover leaf experiment. Cover leaf experiment. Okay, cover leaf experiment. This activity asks us to cover a part of the leaf with black paper. Compare the color with uncovered part and test with iodine solution. Listen, this activity asks us to cover a part of the leaf with black paper. Okay, compare the color with uncovered part and, can you understand? And test with iodine solution. Okay, observation, listen. The covered part of the leaf become light green and pearl color. Light green and pearl color. Listen, the covered part of the leaf become light green and pearl color when we test them with iodine. The covered part does not turn blue. Okay, the covered part does not turn blue. Next, explanation. Listen. When we cover a part of the leaf with paper, it cannot photosynthesis and produce starch. It cannot photosynthesis and produce starch. With the passage of time, chlorophyll of the covered part translocate to other parts. Okay. As a result, the covered part becomes light green and pearl. Iodine solution turns blue with the starch. Since the covered part does not contain starch, it does not turn blue. Okay, last conclusion, inference or conclusion. This experiment demonstrates that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. It's very must. It's very important. Listen. This experiment demonstrates that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Okay. Next. Visiting a greenhouse farm. Next, second project. Visiting a greenhouse farms. Listen. A greenhouse farm working principles. A greenhouse farm is an artificial chamber. This is an artificial chamber that keeps plants warmer than the outside. Keeps plants warmer than the outside. For this, the chamber is made of glass or plastic. The chamber is made of glass or plastic that allows solar radiations but prevent its escape. Okay, listen. Desired temperature and humidity are carefully controlled by fans and irrigation. This helps the vegetations to grow, which is not possible in the area. Okay. Next, third activity. Try growing a sweet potato just in water. Describe your experiment and observations. Question. Project. Answer. The potato can be grown in water. For this, we dip a sweet potato into water. Within a few weeks, its sprouts and stem arise from it. Okay, can you understand? it within a weeks, okay, within a few weeks, it sprouts and stem arise from it. Okay, students, all of you note the answers. Thank you, students.